Kelly Grout high-strength polyester resin is used to anchor new sound walls in Hauppauge, Long Island. The anchoring of the sound wall begins with the caisson drilling form being inserted to a depth of 20 feet. A caisson reinforcing cage of steel rebar is set inside the hole before the cement is poured. The freshly poured 3-foot round, 20-foot deep concrete footing is now ready for the drilling of the anchor holes. 4 anchor holes are drilled simultaneously. The anchor hole positioning is preset, and the template is moved onto the prepared concrete footing. The anchors and footing must support the 22-foot tall, 13-foot wide sound wall sections alongside the Smithtown Bypass. Once drilling is completed, the holes require a thorough cleanout. A wire brush is used first to remove loose concrete. The holes are then blown clean of debris with compressed air. The prepared anchor holes are now ready to receive Kelly Grout and threaded anchors. A line of caissons are ready for the 22-foot tall sound wall support posts. The threaded anchors with leveling nuts are secured in place with Kelken's Kelly Grout. Setting the sound wall panels and checking alignment are the finishing touches on this job. Completed sound wall sections are now anchored in place with Kelly Grout high-strength polyester resin anchoring material. Posillico Civil Construction of Farmingdale, New York was the contractor on this Kelken featured job. The sound wall sections were manufactured by Long Island Precast. Call or visit us online for information about Kelly Grout or any of our other chemical anchoring products and accessories.